Hello students, how are you? Today we'll learn some more problems. Okay. Now find the value of the given problems means what are the given problems. So I am taking a bit, that is first bit 0.1 whole to the power of 6 plus 0.01 to the power of 4. What is this value? What is this value? Now see what is this value means. So this is also equal to 0.1 means 1 by 10 to the power of 6 plus 0.01 means 1 by 100. Because here the decimal is 1, because of that in the denominator we wrote 10. But here how many decimals are there? 2. Because of that 1 by 1 followed 2 zeros 100 to the power of 4 is equal to, this is 1 by 10 whole power 6 plus 1 by 100 whole to the power of 4. Okay. So this is 1 by 10 whole power 6 plus this 1 by 100 means 1 by 10 whole square. Is it? 1 ones are 1, 10 tens are 100. So 1 square by 10 square, that is 1 by 10 whole square whole power 4. Whole power 4. Now this equal to 1 by 10 whole power 6 plus 1 by 10 whole square to the power of 4 means we know one formula, a power n whole power m equal to a to the power of n into m. So 1 by 10 to the power of 2 fours are how much? 8. So I am taking 1 by 10 whole power 6 common. I am taking here 1 by 10 whole power 6 is there, here 1 by 10 whole power 8 is there. I am taking 1 by 10 whole power 6 common. So here the remaining number is 1 plus here the remaining number is power 6 went means 1 by 10 whole square is there. 1 by 10 whole square is remaining. So 1 by 10 whole power 6 into 1 plus 1 by 100. Just I am opening the bracket. 1 ones are 1, 10 tens are 100. So 1 by 10 whole power 6 into 1 plus 1 by 100. 1 plus 1 by 100 is, now the LCM is 100. LCM is 100. Here nothing is there means in the denominator 1 is there. So this 1 in this 100, how many times it is going? 100 times. 100 ones are 100 plus 1. So 1 by 10 whole power 6 into 101 by 100. 101 by 100. So this equal to C. 1 by 10 whole power 6 means how much? 1 power 6 by 10 power 6. Is it? Yes. And also 101 by 100. This is also equal to 1 power 6 means how much? 1. 10 power 6 means 1 followed 6 zeros. That's the meaning. 1 followed 6 zeros into 101 by 1 followed 2 zeros. So 1 into 101 is 101 by 1 followed, this is into, this is not plus, this is into. 1 followed how many? 6 zeros into 100. Means if you see 10 into 10 how much? 100. Means 10 into 1 followed 1 0 into 1 followed 1 0. 1 followed 2 zeros. 10 into 10 is 100. Means here 1 0 1 0 becomes 2 zeros. Okay, 1 followed 2 zeros. In the same way, 1 followed 6 zeros into 1 followed 2 zeros means 1 followed 8 zeros. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer. 0.1 whole power 6 plus 0.01 whole to the power of 4 is, so if you simplify the problem, you get the answer. You'll get the answer. Okay, directly also you can do, but you may make some mistakes, because here 1 by 1 followed 6 zeros and here 1 by 1 followed 8 zeros. Okay, so because of that, so you may get some wrong calculation. Because of that, better to do the problem in this way. So first you change the decimal into fraction form, next convert the 1 by 100 to the power of 4 into 1 by 10 whole to the power of 8 form. So next take 1 by 10 whole power 6 common factor, then do the simplification. You'll get the answer. This is the answer. Okay, so find the value of the given problems means this is one model. So one more model I am showing. See, one more. This is in the number system. Okay, that is what is the value of cubed root of 243. No, it's not cube. This is fifth root of 243 whole cube. This value you should find out. This value you should find out. So because of that, 243. By seeing this number, you should remember the divisibility properties. Okay, in the units place, even number is not there. This is the odd number. So if in the units place even number is not there, means that number is not divisible by 2. So next number is what? 3. 3 means first you should add all the digits. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, how much? 9. 9 is divisible by 3, means the whole number is divisible by 3. This is the divisibility property of 3. So because of that, okay, we start this number with 3. We divide. Okay, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 81. Again 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 81 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 2. 2 1, 21. 7s are. So 3 9s are. 3 3s are. So this 243 is nothing but what? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means t to the power of 5. So now I am writing fifth root of 243 in the form of 3 power 5 whole to the power of 3. So now first I simplify this number. Okay, fifth root of 3 power 5. So fifth root of 3 power 5 I am writing 3 power 5 whole to the power of 1 by 5. Okay, so if it is cubed root of a, we write a to the power of 1 by 3. If it is fourth root of a, we write a to the power of 1 by 4. If it is fifth root of a, we write a to the power of 1 by 5. It is sixth root of a, we write a power 1 by 6. This is the way. Okay, if it is square root of a, we write a power half. A power half. So this and this gets cancelled. Whole to the power of 3. So now 3 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 by 3 will become 3. 3 to the power of 3 means 3 cube. 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 3 cube is 27. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is the answer. This is the answer. One more problem I will explain. See, one more problem I'll explain from the number system. Okay, that is 6th root of, see bit, 6th root of, okay, 1 by 64 into 2 power 7 into 2 power 7. 6th root of 1 by 64 into 2 power 7. First we simplify the 6th root of 1 by 64. Then we simplify the next one. See, 6th root of 64 means 1 by 64. First we take the 64. We take 64. So in units place 4 is there. So 4 is divisible by 2. The whole number is divisible by 2. So start with 2. 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Again 2. 2 1s are, 2 6 are 12. 2 8s are, 2 4s are. Next 2 2s are. So all 2s. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is how much? 2 power 6. So this is equal to 6th root of 1 to the power of 6 value how much? 1. 1 to the power of 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. You get 1. So 1 by 64 we can write as 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6 into 2 power 7. This is equal to, I am opening the 6th root, 1 by 2 whole power 6 whole to the power of 1 by 6 into 2 power 7. So 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So this is only half. Half into 2 power 7. Half into 2 power 7. So half into 2 power 7 can be written as 2 into 2 power 6. When bases are same, we add the powers. 2 power 1 into 2 power 6. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2 power 6 is the answer. 2 power 6 means how much? 64. 2 power 6 means 64. When bases are same, we add the powers. So 2 power 7 we can be written as 2 into 2 power 6. 2 means 2 power 1 into 2 power 6. 2 gets cancelled. 2 power 6 is the answer, means 64 is the answer. 64 is the answer. See, one more bit I'll explain. One more bit I'll explain. So that is, one more bit I'll explain. You see. That is 8th root of 256. How much? 8th root of 256. Find this value. Here also first you take 256. In units place what is there? 6 is there. 6 is divisible by 2. Means the given number is divisible by 2. Start with 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. 1 6 16. Means 8 times. Again 2 6s are, 2 4s are. Again 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Again 2 1s are, 2 6s are. 2 8s are. 2 4s are. 2 2s are. This is the short division. Okay. How many 2s? Product of 2s. 2 into 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 2. So 2 power 8. 2 power 8. So this equal to 8th root of 256 we can write as 2 power 8. So 2 power 8 whole power 1 by 8. We are removing the 8th root. 8 and 8 gets cancelled. 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. In this way we do the cubed root or 4th root or 6th root, whatever it is. We will solve the problems. Okay. One more problem. See, one more problem. I'll explain. See, that is the question. The highest temperature ever recorded was in Libya. That was 58 degrees centigrade. This is the highest temperature in Libya. The lowest temperature ever recorded was minus 88 degrees centigrade in Antarctica. This is in Antarctica. This is in Libya. Okay. What is the temperature difference? What is the temperature difference means what should we do? So we subtract the higher one minus the lower one. Okay. Highest temperature minus lowest temperature. Highest temperature is 58 degrees centigrade minus lowest is minus 88. This is equal to 58 minus into minus is how much? Plus 88. So we add 8 plus 8, 16. So this is 14 degrees centigrade. So what is the temperature difference? The temperature difference equal to 146 degrees centigrade. Okay. Next question you see. My bank account shows a credit card balance of $105. Describe my balance as a positive or negative number after each of these transactions is made in sequence. Actually, his balance was how much? Only $105. But his expenses you see, rent $140, car insurance $283. But this is the credited value, 1 week's salary. This 140, 283, these are expenses, but this is not the expenditure. This is the credited value, $230, his 1 week's salary. And food bill, again expenditure. Credit transfer, $250, again expenditure. Expenditure we always subtract and credited value we always add. So now we see what was his balance in the credit card. Okay. So first, what was his starting balance? Starting balance was 105 in the starting. So bank credit card starting balance. How much in the starting? $105. Okay. So rent 140. First you subtract that rent. 105 minus 140. So this is the integer subtraction. This is positive, this is negative. Subtract and keep the sign of bigger one. Okay. 140 minus 105. How much? 35. And bigger one sign is minus. So minus. So minus $35. Minus $35. This is the negative value. Still, car insurance $283. Minus 35 minus 283. So dollars. So both are in minus. Add and keep the sign of minus. Minus 5 and 3. Addition 8. And 8 plus 3 11. And 1 plus 2 3. 318. Minus $318. Okay. So next, 1 week's salary deposited. How much? $230. Okay. This is the credited value. Addition. So minus 318 plus 230. How much? So one is minus, the other is plus. Subtract and keep the sign of bigger one. Okay. So 8. 8 minus 0. 8. 11 minus 3. 8. So 88. So minus $88. Minus $88. Now see, food bill $72. Minus 88 minus 72. Because that is the expenditure. So both are in minus. Add and keep the sign of bigger one. Okay. So 10. 8 plus 2 10. 8 plus 8 160 minus $160. So again Credit transfer amount $250 minus 160 minus 250. So both are in minus. So add and keep the sign of minus 1. So 0, 11, and 4. So minus $410. So the question, what was the question? Describe my balance as a positive or negative number after each of these transactions is made in sequence. So what was his balance? Is it positive or negative? Negative balance. He has that too, minus $410. Minus $410. So this much he has to pay to the bank. Okay. So using credit card, sometimes it's very problematic. It's not good. Sometimes we don't know how we use our credit card. At later, if we see, we get all the debts, all the loss. Okay. So credit card is very dangerous. Sometimes it's useful, but most of the time it is dangerous. Okay. So we should use the credit card in a wise way. Okay. Next problem. The roof of an apartment block is 130 meters above ground level. The car park beneath the apartment is 35 meters below ground level. Okay, let it be. This is the ground level. Okay. So apartment first roof. Actually, parking means this is the ground floor roof. Afterwards, first floor, second floor, third floor we will get. Okay. So this distance is how much? Up to here. This is the roof. What is this roof? This is the ground level. This is the roof of ground level. Okay. So what is this distance? This is 130 meters high from the ground level. So this parking, what he did while constructing the apartment, he dug some ground below and he built the parking. So that is 35 meters below he dug. So here he constructed the parking. Okay. So from ground level to here 35 meters and from ground level to roof 130 meters. What is the question? How high is the roof above the floor of the car park? How high means what? You should add. It's not difference. So don't subtract 130 minus 35. 35 plus 130. You should add. So this is 561. So 165 meters. 165 meters. How high is the roof above the floor means 165 meters high above the floor of the car park. That's the answer. So now a submarine is at a depth of 165 meters. If the ocean floor is 860 meters from the surface means what? This is ocean. The whole thing is the ocean. Okay. So surface means the top part. This is the surface, water level, surface of the ocean. This is what? Depth of the ocean. This is what? Depth of the ocean. Depth of the ocean. Okay. So this depth of the ocean is somewhere here. Okay. What is this? The whole depth of the ocean is what? 860 meters. Given that 860 meters. But the submarine is at a depth of from here to here, somewhere is a submarine. Somewhere is the submarine. Okay, so what is this distance? 165 meters. From surface to 165 meters below, submarine was there. From surface to depth of the ocean is 860 meters. Okay, how far is the submarine from the ocean floor? Means 860 minus 165. You should subtract. How far? The total depth minus 165. So equal to 5. So 15. 15 minus 6, how much? 9. And 7 minus 1 is 6. 695 meters. How far is the submarine from the ocean floor? It is 695 meters far. Okay, this is the way of doing the problem. Okay, so that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll continue.